Well, I chose to come to the symposium for two main reasons, really. One was that the agenda looked really interesting. It looked as if we were actually trying to address some key issues. And secondly, too, I just thought it was a very intriguing format. You know, not with any clients here or media. It was very much like-minded people.
I think the event's been able to create an environment where people feel probably more comfortable to talk about things. You know, to talk about remuneration as we did today is actually getting into the guts of what's challenging our industry at the moment.
You know, you can only get so deep in life if you have an hour. If you have 2 days, you can have the same conversation from different angles and you can really explore the possibilities.
I'm here because I think it's a really good opportunity to get the industry together to talk about some key issues. And so far we've done that really well. I think you've got a great lineup of speakers. And I think you've done really well to get all the agency groups represented in a senior capacity to do that. And so far the chats have been terrific.
Yeah, I mean, it's small enough to get around. I've been to some of these things where it's just thousands of people and it's very difficult to actually talk to people. But whereas here there's lots of opportunities to get close to the people you need to.
So the calibre of the agency attendees has been really strong. CEOs, MDs of all the major agencies in town, key people that you need to be meeting. So it's been great.
The calibre of people attending in these last 2 days has been excellent. All my peers from various agencies have been here and we've been able to have very senior discussions and progress business very quickly.
I think it's a really worthwhile investment because you've got an incredible opportunity in actually quite a short space of time to reach all the major media agencies in Australia.
The calibre of the attendees has been just incredible. You know, taking 2 days out of the office is a difficult thing to do for really senior, busy people. Conversations have been fantastic. So it's been a really valuable investment that I think we've got a lot out of.
But it's also quite unique because you have not just creative agencies here, you have the media owners as well, and you have media agencies too. So I think that's actually quite good to get us all together.
The atmosphere of the event's been fantastic. I think it's been informative, it's been fun, it's been thought-provoking, and ultimately there's been progression. I definitely feel that there's a sense of progress in terms of where some of the thinking's moved to.